Welcome to the first IAS chemistry crash course of Unit 1. So I will be doing topic 1, which is formulae, equations and amount of substance. So in topic 1 there are 5 subtopics, so I will cover each subtopic in a video. So in today's video we will be doing topic 1A, atoms, elements and molecules. Starting off with topic 1A. So there are several basic definitions we have to know. So the first being what an atom is. So an atom is the smallest part of an element that still has the properties of that element. So we cannot divide an atom into anything smaller and still expect those to have the properties of the element the atom came from. Then we have what an element is. So an element is a substance that contains only one type of atom and cannot be broken down into any simpler components using any physical means or chemical reactions. So an element is basically as pure as a substance we can get. Then we have a compound. A compound is two or more elements chemically bonded together in a specific ratio. For example, sodium chloride. Then we have an ion. An ion is a species consisting of one or more atoms joined together which have either a negative or a positive charge. Then we have a molecule. A molecule is known as a particle made of two or more atoms bonded together. So we use the term molecule mainly when we describe simple covalent compounds like water. Then we have some other terms we need to know as well. So we need to know that a cation is a positively charged ion, and we need to know that an anion is a negatively charged ion. So examples of cation are all the metals are cations usually, and so here we have potassium cation, sodium cation. Here we have a chloride ion and a bromide ion. Both are anions. Then elements and ions which are made of one atom are called monoatomic. So helium is a monoatomic element, chloride is a monoatomic ion. Elements and ions consisting of two atoms joined together are described as diatomic. So here we have Cl2 and H2, so they exist like this naturally, so they are called diatomic elements. And elements and ions consisting of several atoms joined together are described as polyatomic. So here we have two polyatomic elements, so phosphorus and sulfur exist as P4 and S8. So in this table, it basically summarizes what I said. Here we have an element, so it has only copper atoms, so it's all the atoms are the same, so it's an element. Here we have an atom, helium atom. Here we have a molecule of an element. So this is made of only two bromine atoms. So it is a molecule of bromine. It's called a molecule of an element because both atoms are the same. But if you look here, we have a compound. So it's hydrogen bromide. So this is called a molecule of a compound because the atoms are different. This is a hydrogen atom. This is a bromine atom. Here we have an ion. As you can see, this is a polyatomic ion because it's made of 4 atoms. This ion is called carbonate ion, and it has 2 negative charges, so it's CO3 2 minus. And yeah, that's it for topic 1A. We'll see you next time when we discuss topic 1B.